So I'm Dr. Erica Harney, and I teach leadership and community building for future generations. What are your expectations out of these topics or this course as I start adding in resources and we start adding in discussion and the community labs so that they can be as relevant as possible to their leadership needs? And so that's how we tailor the course each time. And then the leadership course, a large portion of one of the labs, is looking at each student's individual leadership style and assessing their different leadership skills and how they lead others and how they can take that back into their organization to improve on how they're seen as a leader and how they sometimes come from a lead from behind and how they encourage followers. And so it's one that I'm excited to provide and develop and bring to future generations because, again, of the applicability that we can take these concepts, put them to use the next day, and build from there.